create 3D leaf from simple image texture.
Hit Shift plus A to add a simple plane. So let's press S to scale it down. Press G and Z and move it up just a bit.
Let's drag it up and set shader editor.
Add a new material. Let's call it leaf.
Add image texture in shader editor. Let's select leaf image texture. Now connect the alpha channel to the alpha down here, and the color with the base color. Go to the setting and set the blend mode alpha clip. Press N. Go to dimension. Change the X value to 16 and the Y value to 32. So left click, add converter, color ramp. Use the color and connect this with the roughness. When you create a material, certainly the best way to figure out how a material looks like is to have the real world object. See how this interact with the light. This was relatively rough, so I probably would add a little more roughness here and just add a bit of roughness and apply the scale. We also add a relatively strong bump map here. So let's connect this with a color and this with a normal, and then let's see how this works. You can see that this is vein kinds of things are lifted up here. So I would invert the bump map here so that this is pushed inward and the rest outwards, and strength of 0.1.
So this is our very simple leaf material for now. Let's change the shape of the leaf. Hit Ctrl plus space to go into full screen mode. Into edit mode. Now let's use the loop cuts. Ctrl plus R and add a bunch of cuts here. Now let's enable the proportional editing. I just select the inner part here. Press G, move it upward and scroll mouse wheel, and then I can create this bending here. Since everything around the selection will also be moved, something like this. Now let's use the knife tool over here. Now let's click in here and simply draw a line along the center of this leaf. To confirm this, press enter.
Then let's hold down Ctrl and select vertices.
Press G. On G axis, move it down just a bit, and then let's add two loop cuts over here by pressing Ctrl plus R, and with Shift plus Alt I also select this loop over here, move it down a bit, and now let's just organically something like that. Now let's tap back to object mode. Right click on shade mode, and let's press Ctrl plus space again to get back. Let's simply add a subdivision modifier to make this look round and smooth.